Truly, the divinity is in all of us, isn't it? We don't always see it. We don't always feel it, but it's there. It's there. So as we close our eyes this morning and breathe deeply, we come to center in our hearts, calming our minds, breathing in peace, breathing out peace. As we participate in the flow, breathing in peace, breathing out peace. Breathing in love, breathing out love. Feel the light, that divine spark in your heart growing, expanding, filling your whole body and your mind with the love and the light of God. And then let that expand out to your neighbor, to all those around you, to the whole church. Breathing in love, breathing out love. Expanding it throughout Tulsa. Breathing in love, breathing out love. Expanding that love to all of Oklahoma and Arkansas, Texas, the whole country. We're expanding rapidly around the world. Sharing love, sharing brotherhood, sharing peace. Feel it. Feel the connection. Feel the oneness. Yes. 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 Take this feeling with you as you leave today. Carry it with you. You are a blessing to the world. Amen.